this video from where we will take a brief overview of Marg HR Expert payroll software. Marg has designed an individual HR Expert payroll software to fulfill the requirement of any user. Now let's take an overview of the software. So this is the home screen of Marg HR Expert software, where first you see the menu bar, and at the right hand side you see shortcut buttons which can be changed according to your requirements. You can also change the background image accordingly. Marg HR Expert software works in three ways. First is masters part, second is data entry part, and third is reports. Firstly, let's go through the masters part, where we will first take a look at the company master. Through company master you can feed all the details of the company such as company name, address, license number, etc. In HR Expert you feed your company miscellaneous details such as company logo, weekly off, etc. Now let's take a look at employee master. In Employee Master, you can feed the personal details of your employee, such as employee name, correspondence address, permanent address, etc. Next option under Employee Master is Employee Organizational Details. By using this option, you can feed the details of employee joining date, department, designation, etc. In Marg HR Expert software, you can maintain the documentations of your employees properly. And you can also feed the salary structure details of employees. In Marg HR Expert software, you can easily define the leaves of employees and also define the salary structure of employees. So friends, in this way we took a look at the masters part. Now let's move on to the data entry part, where we will take a look at the attendance process. By using this data entry option, you can maintain attendance in 4 types, such as through the biometric machine, through Excel, through muster roll, and through manual attendance. So in this way we took a look at the data entry part in Marg HR Expert software. Now let's move on to the next module, that is the reports part. In Marg HR Expert software, reports are maintained in 2 ways. First, in the form of crystal report, for example salary slip, salary sheet, etc. And second is in the form of Excel report. This is the salary slip which is generated through Marg HR Expert software, and this is the salary sheet. In Marg HR Expert software, you can generate bank transfer sheet which you can provide to your bank for transferring salary. In Marg HR Expert, you can generate Provident Fund ECR, and you can also generate monthly return of ESIC. In Marg HR Expert software, tax projection details of every employee is calculated. You can generate ETDS returns through Marg HR Expert software, and Form 16 and computation of income tax can also be generated. In Marg HR Expert software, there are some HRD modules through which you can generate application processes for your employees. You can generate offer letter, appointment letter, confirmation letter, promotion letter, relieving letter, and experience letter. There are some utilities in Marg HR Expert software. Through Marg HR Expert software, you can maintain loan and advances, and assets can also be maintained like mobile, laptop, etc. Through Marg HR Expert software, you can import Employee Master, you can send SMS to employees and also send them SMS before finalizing their salary and attendance. You can also send their salary slip onto their mail ID. Through Marg HR Expert software, you can do CTC breakup. You can send your employees' birthday and anniversary wishes onto their mail ID. In Marg HR Expert software, you can set user level boundation. You can use this option for multiple users. Like if you have multiple users and multiple systems in your HR department, then you can set different powers for different users. Like suppose one operator is assigned to do only data entry work and the other user is assigned only to see the reports. Through Marg HR Expert software, you can do the full and final settlement of an employee before they leave the organization. Through Marg HR Expert software, you can set notifications and self-defined notifications like birthday notifications, marriage anniversary of employee, etc. There is a complete process for reimbursement in Marg HR Expert software. If you do reimbursement expenses on your employees, for example, if your employees do business related expenses from their own money, and if you refund that much money in form of reimbursement, then you can manage such a process very easily in Marg HR Expert software. There are 4 processes in reimbursement module. First is reimbursement setup. Here we create the expenses heads which our employees incur in business related work like medical expenses, traveling expenses, meals, etc. Second is reimbursement entry. Here we can allot employee wise reimbursement amount, means to which employee how much reimbursement will be given, monthly or yearly. We can set employee-wise reimbursement limit. Like for example, we can set that not more than 500 rupees reimbursement will be given on medical expenses to Ankit employee. So you can do such an entry from reimbursement entry. Then is reimbursement employee-wise transaction. The limit that we set for expenses, if any balance is left from that amount, so we can maintain that last balance and opening balance from this option. Then is reimbursement reports and slips. You can also generate and view reimbursement reports and slips from Marg HR Expert software. There is also a module of employee self-service in Marg HR Expert software, through which employees and managers can have access to a very user-friendly portal. Through ESS panel, employees can apply for leaves, view salary slip and attendance, submit loan and advance request, etc. And managers can approve or decline leaves, view their team attendance chart, view real-time reports, etc. You need to follow 3 steps in order to configure HR Expert payroll software with the ESS portal. Firstly, you have to set an admin username and password to log into ESS portal. Then through a single click, you can upload your payroll data to ESS portal. If you do not want to upload salary slip, then you will uncheck this. All employees created in payroll software will get individual username and software generated password onto their email ID, which they can use to log into ESS panel. ESS reduces the communication gap between managers, employees and HR. There is also a feature of bonus management in Marg HR Expert software. Like many companies give festival bonus or full attendance bonus to employees. You can do such a bonus setup from bonus setup option. Bonus is calculated in 2 ways in HR Expert software. We can provide bonus either on basic salary or gross salary. Through this bonus setup option, you can set that on what basis do you want to calculate bonus. By going on bonus payment option, you can do the entry of bonus payment by mentioning the date of bonus payment. Through Marg HR Expert software, HRs can easily manage multiple shifts of employees. In shift management module, HRs can create employee-wise shifts or modify or change already created shifts. HR can create monthly shifts or daily shifts. You can create 6 shifts in HR Expert software, like day shift, night shift, evening shift, etc. You can create shift on hour basis or time basis. Time basis means creating shifts according to specific timing, like from 10 to 6 p.m. or 6 to 12 a.m. etc. Through hour basis, you can create shifts according to working hours, like 6 working hours, 8 working hours, etc. After creating shifts, you can create roster, means which employee will be working in which shift. At the end, you can view employee shift reports. You can take a quick view and check that which employee is working in which shift on which day. There is also a module of SFA to payroll connectivity in HR Expert software. Marg SFA software is a cloud-based system to manage Salesforce reporting. Marg Salesforce automation can be used in all those industries who want to manage the reporting of their sales staff online. SFA to payroll connectivity works in 3 ways. If you are already using SFA software and you are new to payroll software, then you can import all the users created in your SFA software to payroll software. And if you are already using payroll software and you are new to SFA software, then you can import the employees created in HR Expert software to SFA software. If you have started using SFA and payroll software simultaneously, then you will have to map or match the users created in SFA software with the employees created in payroll software. So in this way, you can manage payroll of your Salesforce from HR Expert software and reporting from SFA software.